Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to see the edit history of a cell in Google Sheets so you can track changes and see who updated the value and when. Let's begin. First, open your spreadsheet in Google Sheets on a desktop browser and make sure you have edit or comment access. Now click on a cell you want to check. For example, I have it here. Click on it. Or if you're on a Mac or trackpad, you can use a two-finger click or control plus click. Now you can right click over here and select show edit history to view previous changes, including timestamps and editor names. All right, click on it and it will reveal all of the existing changes that transpired ever since we had this cell. All right. And that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. This quick feature makes it easy to review changes and avoid confusion when working in shared spreadsheets. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.